And I know it's been a while, but it is another edition of Ordy's amazing, incredible screencasts. I know you're all excited. We are working on our research project, a researched argumentative essay. So bottom line is, by this point, you should have picked a topic, had it approved. So now, the actual research process, you're going to need a couple things. A, do the research. B, take notes so you can actually write your research paper. And 3, make note of the sources with the MLA formatted entry, which I'll explain in a minute, because you're going to need that to do a works cited page. We've done a lot with MLA formatting. This is the last thing we have to go over this year. So I'm going to pretend that I've worked on graffiti as art. Now, I've already chose my topic. At this point, you should have submitted this and gotten approval. Once you get approval, the next part is your research notes. Remember, you have to have at least, I guess, 4 sources in any event. One can be a New York Times article. The other should be from a research database. So what I would do here is, alright, on this one, you're going to need to find the source, the Mla citation, where you locate it, how you know it's credible. And this could be something such as found in research database, because you know the database is going to be credible. If that's all the sources for you, it's awesome. New York Times, a well-known news site. Then paraphrasing your own words, supporting evidence, and evidence kind of goes against on the other side of the issue. You're going to do this for all your 4 sources, so that way, when we go to pre-write, you'll be able to say, all right, what do I really have here? What can I work with? So here's the bottom line. Remember, if I'm picking graffiti, this is what I've clicked to get to. This is not a source. This is just an overview. So keep that in mind. However, it'll quote stuff from an article. So if you click this link in here, this will take you to a New York Times article. Now this is a source. Credible, New York Times, you can use this. So if I wanted to fill out back here the MLA citation, go to easybib.com. The link should be in the assignment on Google Classroom. MLA 8, it's a website. It's going to put the URL. So I copy and paste it. Hit cite. It should then, is this the same article? We want to make sure. Yes, it is. So we're going to hit cite. Then review the information. Make sure you have the title. You have the writer in there. Everything we need is there. It's going to get us everything we need. Again, the author's in there. Everything's filled out. If there was no author, you just leave it blank. Hit complete. Now here it is. So now, what you want to do is click on this, copy it, hit Control-C, come back to my research notes, Control-V, paste it in, you're good. Alright, where do I locate this? New York Times. How do I know it's credible? The New York Times is a well-known, credible news outlet. And of course, New York Times, since it is a title of big publication, must be in italics. Riveting information, I'm sure. But again, now you're going to see what you have to do. You should be able to do this. All right, now I'd read it and kind of fill the rest of this out. Now, research database. You're going to go to Collingswood Middle School. And students and parents, Library Media Center. Then, research databases. Yay. All right, most of ours are going to be controversial events. I would say try to use just points of view, EBSCOhost. Now I put in Graffiti is art. It's not spelled right. Probably give me some stuff. Alright, so it gives me one article. The writing on the wall, and actually it is a book. So anyway, you'll find a source. When you open it, you can click the text here and read it. But I want to show you this over here, Cite. Click Cite. Scroll down for MLA. It gives you the citation, so you just have to Control C, go back to my research notes, source 2, Mla Citation, Control V. Now it will highlight it, so you're going to have to go in and actually click the highlight, put none. You're good. Just locate this. EBSCOhost. You know it's credible. Research database. That's sources for credibility. There we go. Let's start over, because even Mr. Ward sometimes types a little too fast. Anyway, alright. And then you put your notes in. That's really all you're going to need to do to fill this out. But again, this is key to get this citation. You're going to have to go back and get it later. It'll also help you find it, and when we do the in-text citations, you're going to need this in order to do that properly. So, once you're done this, start researching. Yo, Wardy! He's out. Peace. Yo.